We're going to move in on the eyes. We're going to start applying our makeup. We're going to start applying our makeup by using some eyeshadow. Now you can apply this eyeshadow in a number of ways, but one of the easiest is just using your fingers. You can apply it with other brushes, but fingers work just as well. Now we're going to be going for a general Marilyn Monroe look. If Marilyn Monroe had dressed up as a nurse, this is something a little bit more along the lines of what she'd look like. So we're going to have some spiciness, some sexiness to our nurse. You, of course, can tone down the makeup if you want to be more conservative. But our nurse is going to be a little more flashy. She's going to have, patients looking down the hall a bit. So we're going to start with the eyeshadow, and we're going to cover the entire upper eyelid. And we're, of course, going to be doing this on both eyes. And then we're going to move on to some liquid eyeliner. Again, this is in liquid form. There are different types of this product, so make sure you have the liquid eyeliner in this case. And you're going to need to definitely have the benefit of a mirror on this shot. This is not something you can do just looking into space. You're going to need to be able to see your eyes for this effect to work, because this is a lot of detailed work. You're going to take the liquid eyeliner and gently bring it across the lower part of your eyelid, the very low part. Literally, you're making a line. Other options are you can blend it a bit, but a lot of times people will just draw the line, and that's more than enough. And you're going to take this from the inside of your eyelid all the way to the outside.